In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lookalike audience in Facebook ads. A lookalike audience is a smart way to reach new people who are likely to be interested in your business because they share characteristics with your existing customers. It's a powerful tool for scaling results while keeping relevance high. Start by opening Meta Ads Manager. This is your control center for campaigns, ad sets, ads, and audiences. Once you're in, head to the Audiences area and hit Create Audience. From the drop-down, choose Lookalike Audience. This tells Meta you want to build a new audience modeled on people who already matter to your business. Next, select your source audience. This must already exist in your account. Common examples include a custom audience of your best purchasers, high-value subscribers, or recent website visitors. The key is quality. The more closely the source represents your ideal customer, the better your lookalike will perform. Make sure the source has at least around 100 people. More is usually better, because a larger, higher quality seed gives the algorithm stronger signals to find the right matches. After that, choose the location. Pick the country or region where you want Meta to look for similar people. This is important because lookalikes are built within the boundaries you set here, so choose the places where you actually sell or can serve customers. If you operate in multiple countries, it's often best practice to create a separate lookalike for each location to keep performance consistent and easier to analyze. Now set your audience size using the percentage slider from 1 to 10%. A 1% lookalike is the smallest and most similar to your source, great for high intent and efficiency. As you increase to 5, 10%, the audience gets larger and broader, which can be useful for reach, but is generally less similar. If you're new to lookalikes, starting at 1 to 3% is a safe, quality-focused approach. Give your audience a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, LLA, purchasers, US, 1%. Include the source type, the location, and the size. Clear naming helps you stay organized as you test variations over time. Finally, click Create Audience. Meta will start building it immediately. You may see a short populating period. That's normal. Once it's ready, your lookalike will appear in your audience list and can be selected when you set up or edit ad sets. And that's it. You've created a lookalike audience designed to find more people like your best customers.